Welcome to our Water Drop Science series. This video is a quick introduction and is intended to whet your appetite for more science. Yes, that pun was intended. Let the science journey begin with water. Why water, you may ask? Because this simple substance is known to everyone. It's easily accessible and can be found everywhere. We may even venture into a little literature in English as we get through these videos. But just as the rhyme of the ancient mariner states, water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Let's find out just how appropriate this quote is. Water, it's everywhere. It's a substance that we are all familiar with. We drink it, we bathe in it, and we see it everywhere we go. And it can be found in just about every earth, physical, or life science lesson. And that's why we're going to theme our science lessons and videos with water. So did you know that our planet is about 71% covered in water? Where can all this water be found? Let's follow our mascot, Waterdrop, to explore and find out. Are you ready to dive in? Grab a device or something to write with, or a sheet of paper, or better yet, start a water journal. What do you know about water and where it can be found? Take a moment to write your ideas down. You can even pause this video. So approximately 97% of the water is salt water, and it's found in the oceans, and many organisms call salt water their home. We also depend on salt water for much of our recreation and food. So only about 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water, though. Would you believe that only about 1.2% of the fresh water supply is drinkable? And mostly that comes from rivers and streams. So that tells me that we have to take care of our rivers, our streams, and aquifers because that's where our drinking water is kept. So where can we find fresh water other than lakes and streams? Most of it is locked up in glaciers, ice caps, permafrost, or buried deep below the ground in aquifers. Approximately 1.7% of the fresh water is stored in polar ice caps, glaciers, and permanent snow. And then you have another 1.7% stored in groundwater, lakes, rivers, streams, and soil. Would you believe that Brazil has the highest freshwater resources in the world, which accounts for about 12% of the world's freshwater supply? All right, so let's pause this video and take a moment to write or draw your ideas or notes in your journal. Where is salt water found near you? Where is fresh water found near you? And how will you take care of that freshwater supply? We will go deeper into this issue when Waterdrop tackles environmental science topics in our upcoming videos. Yes, water is even in the air that we breathe. Only about 1/1000% of the water on Earth is stored as water vapor in the atmosphere. Yes, our water drop's feeling a little gassy at this moment. So how about weather? Yep, water's there too. So despite its small volume, water vapor has an immense influence on weather and climate of the Earth as it moves around the planet. Only about 1/1000% of the water on Earth is stored as water vapor in the atmosphere. Water vapor is a powerful greenhouse gas that transports latent heat around the globe. We'll talk more about that in our upcoming Earth Science videos, so be sure to stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. Latent heat, as mentioned before, is heat obtained by water molecules as they transition from solid to liquid to water vapor gas. Now we're talking about physics and chemistry with phase changes. I bet you can't wait for that journey. The heat is released when the water molecules condense back to liquid or solid, creating cloud droplets and various forms of precipitation. You know that precipitation as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Any form of water that falls from clouds, basically. So let's do a quick recap. Water is all around us and plays a very important part in sustaining life and the world around us. Most of the water is in our oceans. That's 97% is salt water, and very limited fresh water, only 3%. Water is part of just about every topic in earth science, life science, and physical science. We can't wait to take you on a journey through science from water's perspective. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures with Waterdrop as we study these wonderful science topics in earth, life, and physical science.